Hi, in this video, you will learn how to calculate the Euler phi function. So a typical question is, evaluate the phi function on an input such as, for example, 156,816, okay? So how do we go about this? So first, you need to factor the input, okay? And that's because the Euler function satisfies that phi of a times b is phi of a times phi of b when a and b are coprime. Okay, so we want to break down the input value as a product of coprime factors. So typically factor as a power product of distinct primes. Okay, so what do we have? That phi of 156,816, this is phi of 2 to the 4 times 3 to the 4 times 11 square, okay? Now 2 to the 4, 3 to the 4, and 11 square pairwise coprime. So we're allowed to say that this is phi of 2 to the 4 times phi of 3 to the 4 times phi of 11 square. All right. Now we have to calculate each of these values independently. Okay, so let me scroll up a little bit. We will use another property of the phi function, which is that phi of p to the e is equal for p of prime is p to the e minus 1 times p minus 1. Okay, so we're going to use that fact for p equals 2, 3, and 11. Okay, so our phi value equals 2 to the 3 times 2 minus 1 times 3, so 3 to the 3 as well, times 3 minus 1 times 11 times 11 minus 1, okay? All right, and then once you evaluate that, that's 47,520. All right. So this was a pretty easy one. It's just a matter of being able to evaluate, following the recipe for calculating phi, and also being able to factor numbers. So here we had only an input that was a product of small primes. So it's very easy to verify what are the prime divisors. But for large numbers, it could be hard. All right. Thank you for listening.